To create a marketing campaign on Microsoft Dynamics 365, start by logging in to your Microsoft 365 account using your Microsoft account information. Once logged in, navigate to the upper right or left corner of the page, where you will find various options. Scroll down until you reach the Marketing heading, located near the bottom, and click on Campaigns. This will take you to a page titled My Campaigns, where you can create a new campaign record by clicking the Create a New Campaign Record button. Fill in the required information, including the campaign name, code, and type, and choose your preferred currency and schedule options. Save your changes by clicking Save and Close or Save. You can then proceed to the Details section, where you will find a summary of your campaign, and fill out any additional necessary information. With these steps, you can successfully create a marketing campaign on Microsoft Dynamics 365.